Abusuya Asem aba. Yede ko kopiemu e wo domi Kwabrenya de ya. Domi Kwabrenya constituency for say since omoto abama de omo member of parliament no eli claim omo say we krimi e wo constituency ni mu omo hu ne biom. Ain omo say since omoto abama no obey the member of parliament no on 29C constituency ni mu biom da. Na mo busa say anyanya bia omo MP no owohemfa. Omo say during the campaign season or shebo bebre say so ba be MP oba be yam omo. Nenso since omoto abama no omo hu no constituency ni mu biom. Na mo ka kire ne say said the enso ye no sa na wi abaye eno nti se wamba ama be ye ejuma ene bo sha o sha omo na omo make so meto aba de tia no 2028 general elections here Ghana Asem TV e dia am je so ne report message say ebusuya oba like na chira wadwen wo comment section uwie nso a turn on notification button no se ne be post bia o sa betimi aka bi na share video no fama onua na modamfo na mo so mo nya bi nhwe na mo hu niam ekoso man ne ebusuya yenko tie nsem a Domi Kwabrenya constituency for eda to jene wi a ya be kire ya adwen e won ebusuya yenkombra
MP samobeje MPP for seat MP sanyame ye madoma mutiminya MPP for seat. You guys should start putting your works into action. Somewhere like Domi Kwabrenya constituency, claim your constituency MP, your friend claim. Yet two abani we almost 10 months. We've never seen the woman around. Yehuno. She MPs one. It's high time you take your constituency seriously. Ya mami claim. Claim, mami claim. And kwala school yehun se amanfo MPs for more omo constituency kwala boss. Trunk ne ade mami yehun se wu mabi. Domi Kwabrenya constituency seat no enya swing seat o. Domi Kwabrenya constituency seat no enya swing seat. Domi Kwabrenya seat no enya swing seat. Enti claim waba na so also be MP for Domi Kwabrenya constituency. It's high time you put your works into action. Ga hospital, if anything, Ga East hospital equine nye. Ga East Hospital obi beka say na 8 years adwasa fo atena so waye bi adwasa fo waye bi Domi Kwabrenya constituency manka na meboa oye from mile 7 a free mile 7 junction best point wa kokodomi ediwera inside street light in adwuma. Street light is not working yet to abama omo no first say second month to the third month who say Mile 7 kwana etutututu no omodi ko tabe gu so ye na patch sa you've seen nothing. Street lights are not working. So claim Domi Kwabrenya constituency semene wa I will start putting my works into action. Sebaya 4 years to come no ye beto abanama. Now MPs you should get it through your head say 4 years so whether MPP or whether NDC na se went me anya adwuma so no ama wo constituency ama nani anso a ye beto atia we will vote against you say nipa ni te ente first no ena me NDC ni kwa meto ama MP no ena me MPP ni ameto ama me MP na MP atena so 15 years 10 years no onye ehwe adwo asafo o ye bi ma Domi Kwabrenya constituency no de neka manka na meboa Domi Kwabrenya constituency adwasa fo aye adwuma na niema bi na anko ye kam niema bi na anko ye ene atuti ya MPP nti claim put your works into action.
Osia the catch you was say 2024 general elections a lot of things happened and these are some of the things I've been complaining about. Say some of the MPs are almost winning first time or the MPP strongholds now a lot of them are going to lose their seats in the 2028 general elections. For example, Domi Kwabrenya constituency, a MPP stronghold. The reason why the MPP lost that election was because the MPP made a mistake and changed their parliamentary candidate and not a one. And also the MP, and also standing as parliamentary candidate, a year honorable lawyer, a year Adwa Safo Kantanka. Now Omodi, a year Michael Kwe Jr. by. And only my NDC an opportunity to win because when him say Taifa, Kwabrenya and surroundings no, the MPP strong and a lot of people around that side no, Kantanka when you baby Asem. and because of that don't talk about the na aba no ne ba adwasafo. Now this woman and the MP no has been member of parliament for 10 good months now, and the constituents and the more constituency are saying that since they voted for her, they've not seen her in the constituency. You understand? They've not seen her in the constituency. So they are asking a very simple question, say, I'm a member of parliament, where is she? Or where infant? Because they can't find her, they don't know where she is. And they are worried. They are worried. What did I say? They are worried. And you see, this is what I've been talking about. This is what I've been talking about. Some of you people will be the reason why the NDC will go to opposition very, very early. Because you guys are not. So, if you know, say, O Constituency or MP soon near Juma, bring that person to me. We voted for you to become a member of parliament, to go to parliament, make laws and rules that is going to benefit the country. After that, the promise that you made to the people during the election period, you have to go to the constituency and make sure that promise are fulfilled. Basically, that's the reason why they voted for you to become their member of parliament. Present them in parliament, lobby for a year good things, and bring it to the constituency and make sure that the constituency is developed. I'm very sure you went around the constituency during the campaign time and made a lot of promise to the people. Now the people are saying that after they voted for you, when free constituency, they cannot even find you. They don't even know where you are again, even if you exist or not. They don't even know. They don't know if you still exist or not. And how can you be voted for as a member of parliament, and for the past 10 months you've not set foot in your constituency? Constituency they talk about 1 to 9 fancy. And Ebasana, who do you think say woye? Oh yeah, I'm telling you. I don't know, but you people should be serious. You people should be serious. Because the president, so in the German now more MPs no, more here is going to affect the president, you know. I'm not saying say because you are NDC MP I'll let you fail. I know basically that you are going to win it, but I'm trying to let you understand. Say you need to start working. You need to start working, because basically that's the reason why the people voted for you. What you say? Get to grounds and start working. To grounds and start working. And the munja is a moya sa nema na moya. Because this time around I'm telling you, say you make sure some obey Jumano. The promise that you promised during the 2024 junior elections, you fulfill those campaign promises. We are telling you. It's very, very important. Makacho. Hi, Ghana Asem TV. Dear Majesum, any promise.